Hey guys, it's Ian with Black Ops Machine. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your front links on your Polaris Pro R. Let's dive in. To begin your install, using an 18mm socket and an 18mm box wrench, loosen and remove the link from your sway bar. Using an 18mm socket and an 18mm box wrench, loosen and remove the link from the A-arm. Now you can remove the stock front link from your vehicle. Now you can install your Black Ops link into the A-arm using your stock hardware. Secure the link to the A-arm using an 18mm socket and an 18mm box wrench. Using the stock hardware, attach your Black Ops link to the sway bar. Tighten using an 18mm socket and an 18mm box wrench. Repeat these steps on the opposite side and your install is complete. We hope this helped you install your front links on your Polaris Pro R. For more information, head over to our website at blackopsmachine.com.